I'm Chandrashekhar. I'm working as a software engineer in Bangalore. So I'm there in Bangalore from past 20 years. My plan was to construct a house. That was my mother's plan also. So we thought what are the options, what are the things we need. Then we came up with the list, and then we thought of a lift. So coming to the lift, we did a lot of research. We went for the pneumatic lift, which comes fine. Then when I searched that, then I found Nibav Lifts. It's an Indian company. That is the main thing which I want to go for that one. And then it was easy for me to contact them, and then I contacted the Nibav support. They came, they gave all the details to me. So then I started my construction. So when the construction started, I called up once again the Nibav people. They came and they said, okay, this is the space which we need, and they gave all the drawings and everything. So according to that one, we constructed our house, and then once the house is completed, the installation is done in quick. We did a housewarming ceremony just a year back. So during the housewarming ceremony, everyone was asking, what is this, what is this? Once the housewarming ceremony is done, almost everyone was interested to go in the lift. So they enjoyed a lift. Even my kid, he's 12 years old, studying in 6th class. So he enjoys going in the lift. He and his friends, every day he plays in the lift. So the main intention for the lift is for my mother. Since she is around 82, so she can't climb the steps. And even my relatives, there are senior citizens, so they can't climb the steps. So that is for them purpose, I am using this lift. There were some situations where suddenly the power went off. The lift automatically went to ground floor and it stopped. So the safety feature wise, it's excellent. Experience wise, it's very good. And there is no issues. It's almost a year, nothing happened, and it's very good. That's it.